Okay.
Yeah. Oh, wait, first of all, before pandas, I just want to go over distributions actually.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I just said that I will go. Yeah, okay. So, I just need to, okay. I will share my screen, okay?
Okay.
Can you see my screen?
Moment. Yes.
So look, this is like data distribution and this is called uniform distribution. So just the feature of uniform distribution is just like distributing data uniformly, okay? Just everyone is equal, like you see this
Oh,
flat line?
yes.
Okay, yeah.
I
Yes.
couldn't hear.
Yeah, yeah. You said something?
No. Continue, please.
Okay, yeah, you see just the like what's like unique in this uniform distribution?
Yes. It's
Yeah.
like going around the same number.
Yeah, but still they're random, right?
Yes, they differ from each other.
Yes. Yeah, you got it.
Mhm.
Wait, Prince,
Yeah, I'm sorry.
can you hear?
I can hear you.
Okay, so we're just going over data distributions. Hello, Prince.
Sure.
Yeah. So yeah, we just said that this uniform distribution is just just flat line, just distributes the values same at the same. You got it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is just easiest distribution. Okay. So this is called normal distribution or Gaussian. So it reinforces values to the middle and like yeah, more far you are, more less you are. You got it? Like we went over this last lesson. Uh, you got it? Okay, let's go. Yeah, so this is like using line, and this is using histogram. Okay.
Okay.
So this is okay. This is like exponential. I think you know it, like from the math lessons, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So yeah, this is like it distributes in this type. Yeah. I can just just leave it like this and print X, but I want you to have a vision how it looks like to like imaginary. So that's why like I am putting it. Yeah. And this is binomial. Is it like the same as this normal distribution? It's just the same, but it's like more strict. It's not like random. It's more strict. For example, here is more randomness, but here is more flat lines. Yeah, just that's it.
Okay.
This is just Poisson. For yeah, Poisson distribution helps to find. For example, it says, for example, you are getting 500 visits per day, so odds of getting 550. So it just helps to calculate it.
Like probability.
Yeah, probability. It's like it use it in the odds in the like betting. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So is it clear? Like
Yeah.
yeah.
Clear.
Okay. Can you okay? let's move to the pandas.